I'm Ryan Hambleton, and I'm an oral surgeon based out of Highlands Ranch, Colorado. I've been using StellaLife now since August of 2021, and I've had some absolutely incredible outcomes with it. Patients have loved it so much that they've come back asking for refills. Other patients who may have post-operative pain following a surgery that may not be amenable to narcotics find that StellaLife gives pain relief. Such that they no longer need any ibuprofen, Tylenol, or even any narcotics whatsoever. And in other cases where we'll do large surgeries with vertical or horizontal augmentations that may seem to be somewhat compromised from a soft tissue perspective, StellaLife has actually reversed those cases in which they've turned out to be successful. So it's a wonderful product, and excited to keep using it.